In this video, I'll show you how to change the country or region on your Instagram profile. Let's get started. To display a country or region on your profile, you'll need to use a professional account, specifically a business account. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Next, tap on Account Type and Tools. If you're not already using a professional account, tap on Switch to Professional Account and follow the setup steps. When asked to choose an account type, select Business. If you already have a business account, go back to your profile and tap on Edit Profile. Now, under Public Business Information, tap on Contact Options. Here you can enter or update your business address, including your country or region. After entering your details, tap Done or Save your changes. Next, tap on Profile Display and make sure Display Contact Info is turned on. This step is important. If it's turned off, your location or country won't show on your profile. Once everything is set, go back to your profile and refresh the page. You should now see your updated country or region displayed on your profile. And that's it. That's how you change your country on Instagram. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.